Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Mi Bedside Lamp 2 and I'm gonna show you how you can perform reset of this device. So if you have any problem, you can try to make this simple reset to fix your bugs. So we can find here two buttons, the power button and the switch color button, and we have to click and hold them together for 5 seconds. Let's make it right now. Right now we'll get here the multiple colors. Keep holding. Right now we can release. Now just wait until our lamp lights up to the straight white color. There it is. As you can see right now, the reset is complete. So you can try to connect your lamp one more time for your Mi Home application, and I hope that it will fix your problems. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.